between me and you. I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
What is good, y'all? So I am back at it with another video, and this is a video that everybody has been asking me, and that is, how do you take down soft locks? So right here in this clip right here, I do have two clips. So this is the first clip, y'all, and I'm showing y'all that you're just gonna pull it down and cut right up there at the roots. Now I am in the process of installing these soft locks into my client hair, so this is actually a new install. But while I was in the back of her head, I was like, I might as well make a quick little video real quick, and that's what I did. And so I'm just kind of unraveling it or whatever, and then I'm going to slide it. In this method right here, you can actually save your soft lock if you're careful and maybe reuse it in the future. You just really have to know what you're doing.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you.
And I'm just unbraiding it, and then boom, bam, there it is. So this is a little method that you can use if you're careful, and you can wash your soft locks and reuse them, save you some money. Okay, so if you haven't watched my first method soft lock video, this is the same girl that I did in my first soft lock video with the 36 inch. She came back for her takedown. She did go to the beach, so she has sand buildup. You know how people have sweat buildup and stuff? She was in the water and stuff, so when she came, she had sand still in her hair. So anyways, I'm gonna show you all how I took down her locks as well, her soft locks. Also, when you're doing your takedowns, you can wear gloves. I do believe I ended up taking off one glove because these gloves were too big. But yeah, so right here, I'm just cutting it, and then I am unraveling. I'm saying unraveling. I'm going to say kind of unwrapping, if that makes sense. So whatever you wrap, you're going to want to cut and unwrap and pull it down. Now, you can still kind of save these locks with the old method as well. You just have to be extra careful, and you have to kind of distinguish between your client's hair, the hair that you wrapped, and the soft lock hair. But as you see right there, I did it, boom, bam. But on all the other ones that y'all are going to see, I actually just went ahead and cut the whole thing off, because if you do cut the whole thing off and you're not trying to save your soft locks, it's going to speed up the process. But if you are trying to save the soft lock, you will have to take your time and also get someone to help you if you're doing them on yourself.
I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you, you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. We didn't really want to, I just wanna get away. Sit right
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's truly, I'm digging you. You make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around,
Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now.